It's been just over a month since the devastating floods at Sgiwen led to more than 80 people being evacuated from their homes. As the Coal Authority investigates and remedial work in and around Goshen Park goes on, the Council continues to lead the recovery efforts alongside partner agencies and community organisations. As leader of Neath Talbot Council, I'd like once more to emphasise our commitment to all residents affected. Our teams were there on the ground from day one of the flooding, and we continue to offer help and support in every way we can. I just want to bring you up to speed as to what has been happening. Within 2 days, we set up an incident support centre at Abbey Primary School to provide a central point of help for the residents. We worked quickly with utility companies on site to allow residents to return home safely, and in early February, a new temporary road and pedestrian access to Goshen Park was constructed to give families access back to their homes. Our waste crews have been working hard to help residents dispose of items damaged during the floods. We have made sure that residents receive the flood support grant and have made over 115 payments so far. We are monitoring the embankment and trees located at the site to ensure the area is structurally stable and does not pose a danger to nearby properties. Our environmental health team has visited residents to give people practical advice about cleaning up after this flood. There has been an incredible response from the local community, with close to 500 offers of help and donations. And we have linked up with Citizens Advice to provide independent guidance and support to residents who are not insured or who may need help with their claims. The Coal Authority staff and contractors are working to finalise designs and options for a new mine water management system and the mine shaft remediation. The first street level meetings with residents are underway to allow residents direct communication with the Coal Authority staff. The Council will continue to support affected residents over the weeks and months ahead. We will continue to publish updates on our website, which will include useful links to organisations that can support people with mental health or well-being issues. And finally, I would like to once again thank all the residents, community organisations and businesses who have stepped up to offer their help and services at a time of need. Thank you.